Welcome back to another edition of Forklift Point of View. I'm your host, Shy. And before we continue, I need you to press that like and subscribe button and that notification bell right now. Only takes 2 seconds. Alright, should be done. Alright, well, today's topic is, with all the killings that's actually been going down, is that contributed from the COVID-19 having us all cooped up? Or is it just human nature to be this destructive? What's your take on it? And as always, we are promoted by the guys in the back. The Boat. Free room and board. 3 square meals a day. I know it's hot as hell up in there, eh? But other than that, cue the music. All right, Flo. So, question of the day is, with all these killings that's actually going down, is it contributed from the COVID-19 keeping us all cooped up, or is it just human nature to be this destructive?
It's human nature. It's human nature to be destructive because people are ignorant. You know what I'm saying? They see opportunists, like opportunity. You see how they did us with the protesting and all that, and everybody started looting. Yeah. They took it upon themselves to do it that way.
Absolutely right on that.
That I understand some people saying, okay, that's the only way they know us now. That's the only way they listen to us.
Yeah.
Because sometimes they don't listen to us. We can talk, and they don't listen to us.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? So that's how I feel. But it's human nature. I think it's human nature. Human nature that people just ignorant. They be like, yo, fuck it. When one person does it, I follow. They're not a leader. They're not going out there like, yo, fuck that. We're not gonna go rob a store. Let's go protest. Let's go help these people protest. Yeah. You understand? Let's bring it all together. Not that way, but they want to do it the wrong way.
Facts.
I feel doing it the wrong way is not gonna get us nowhere. That's one. And us trying to do it the right way is still not gonna get us nowhere. And they're not gonna listen to us. Nobody's gonna listen to us. If they never listened to us back then, why they gonna listen to us now?
Right.
Slaves were done many years ago. So now you want to listen to us now?
And we're still segregated.
We're still segregated.
That's the fact.
You're like, fuck that nigga, yo. They're facts, you see? But it's still, you are right. I think it's
you pussy.
Facts.
Yeah.
Big bloods matter, Chulo. Come on, Chulo, in real life.
Hey, Golito.
Yourself, man.
Huh? I'm not incriminating my
Pallet, yo.
Yo, Tom, so with all the killings that actually have been going on, right? Do you feel like COVID-19 contributed, such as with us being so cooped up in the house, or is it just human nature?
Shit called fucking lack of intelligence, bro. It's called selfishness. It's called fucking stupidity. Shit called embarrassment, man. That's what it's called. It's called. You might think keeping it real. We done changed the definition of what real even was supposed to mean. Now, how can we fight and say, yo, Black Lives Matter, to turn around and black dude shoot you in the back? So it's like, what the fuck about? I'm trying to help you, and you still shoot me? You know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, we don't even know which direction we even want to go no more. It's just like, yo, you're gonna live till you die, and that's it. I think they forgot about what culture is, your community, or your tribe, or however you want to, your gang, your set, however you want to make it. You don't live by that value no more. Now it's, if you step on my shoe, you call my girl a bitch, or you disrespect my mom's, I'm coming to kill you, bro. There's no talking, there's no, you feel what I'm saying? Then the people that got the gun is not, like you said, not trained either. You don't even know how to, you just shooting. You ain't even trying to get away no more. So that's called kamikaze. That means I put myself to die. Because after you go where they gonna send you at, you gonna wish you was dead, bro. You better off shooting the police, go out, and that's gonna get more recognition. But then what's the reason for you to kill? When people of Myra was killing, we was actually killing because trying to make a point. Like, either we were trying to get rich in the day, which was stupid, but we ain't thinking about no work. We just wanted to show that we was, you know what I'm saying? Now it's just like, I don't know, man. People kill for stupid reasons nowadays. It's like it's getting, but then in my era, they were saying the same thing about us. Y'all doing it for stupid shit. It's just like, yo, man, education, bro. Once a dude know that, yo, this is what's gonna happen to you when you get 30, 40 years old. So don't just think because you're 17, 19, and your mom's kicked you out, that life is over. And that's how you think. You're 19, 18, your mom first give you that push, like get up on your own, you ain't got no job, you running with the homies, you trying to hustle, you think that's it. You think, if I make it now, I'm set. Yeah. You don't even think about
the long run.
40, 30,
you don't think the long run.
Bank account, I need longevity, I need consistency. You gotta live with consistency. If you have no consistency, I don't give a fuck if you made $1 million a day. If you ain't got no plan to make another $1 million before that first one is over, you gonna go back to being broke. Sanctuary, you're about to die again. You know what I'm saying? You keep killing yourself, that's what cowards do. They keep dying. You coward. Because real nigga only need one life. You gonna stand up, you gonna catch it, you gonna learn, experience, go through his fall, and then get back up. He ain't gonna fall for that same shit twice. So you ain't gonna be able to kill him. He ain't gonna look for you to kill you. He's about his business. He made it. That's why I say he finally learned that, man, what y'all doing ain't the way. When everybody learn that and be like, yo, fam, we get a whole lot further if your ass carry your ass to school and help me whatever fucking shit I got, and then each one teach one. Once black people learn that, then we can move. Other than that, then it just know what it is. Black people need to be enslaved if they don't know how to motherfucking take care of themselves. They said police yourself. They took the police away, told the police yourself. You did the same thing they did. So which means that you need guidance. So don't be mad when they put the police and he's standing on your back and you go, well, why you always on my back? Because if I don't be on your back, you're gonna go through some stupid shit. So then when they on your back, don't cry. You see what the African church just did, right?
Nah.
African church never getting funded by the government. Meaning, how can you fight the government if the government paid you? So we done lost the black church, so now what you got? The Bloods and the Crips? That's what y'all relying on now? Yo. Got no education. You can't rely on that. They just know savageness. So there's no education. Bloods and Crips ain't in college and motherfucking, that's not no motherfucking sorority group, nigga. You dig what I'm saying?
Yo, what you're speaking right now is straight facts.
No black church, got no black leaders, the gang members is uneducated, and if everybody else just want to get the fuck out the way, they don't even want to be a part of the shit. So it's like, who you fighting with?
Damn, bro.
Better than who you fighting for, and then after the fight, who the fuck I gotta watch my back from? You dig what I'm saying? Like, we're not Jews, we're not Irish, we're not Italian, but each one of those people, even Dominicans, even Puerto Ricans do to an extent, but they want to fucking keep running around with black people. The black African American man is fucking fucked up mentally. Got mental health problems. It's not no physical, it's not no how you look, it's not no swag, it's not your conversation. You really have a mental health problem. I'm talking about everybody, not just one person. We still call each other niggas. Don't feel no way about it. That should tell you right there something's wrong, man. You think what I'm saying? We can't even get past that. Like, what are you talking about Black Lives Matter when we call each other a derogatory word just to say hello?
A word meant to bring you down.
You know what I'm saying? But they don't know how powerful words, colors, music, those things rule the world. People rule whole nations off of sound. People give speeches, words. Those are powerful. So you saying nigga just put you down here. You can't be a king this day and then be a nigga this day. What we gonna be? Kings or niggas, bro?
Yo, you hear this fire right now? Yo, so hey, what's your thoughts on the killings that's been happening? Is it contributed from the COVID-19? Or having us all cooped up in the house? Or is it, just human nature just to be destructive?
To the point that I mean, we all wasn't used to the quarantine. So when it did come in, people were cooped up. A lot of people might have had a lot of anger and shit like that built up from being cooped up, coming outside doing destructive shit. But destructive nature comes with the animal instinct. An animal is gonna try to do something different every time. Like if you trap, you're gonna try to get the fuck out of where you trap from. So you're gonna you adapt to where you are. That's the quarantine. The quarantine life, we adapted to it until they let us back out. When they let us back out, nigga, what you do? What does a rat do when it's free, nigga? That shit run, nigga. That shit does whatever the fuck it wants, nigga.
That's why I say you gotta educate it, man. You gotta have discipline. That people ain't even disciplined no more. You got discipline. You say, yo, if I'm mad, but I'm disciplined enough to say, let me tell you something about a killer, man. A killer think about killing you first. If he don't think about killing you first, it's called emotional killing, like some shit. Sensitive, like nigga would caught his wife cheating and killed her. That's like that emotional shit they call that shit. But a killer go, oh you, alright, I'll be back, man. On that trip, the way he's thinking about what he's gonna do. Now a smart killer go, I know I can't go kill a nigga under the camera because I'm gonna go down. I need a mask, I need gloves, I need to change clothes, I need a vehicle. That's a killer, bro. Now a stupid nigga with a gun gonna go, I'm gonna kill everybody, pow, 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 pow. And the nigga he wanted to kill still running. Got a little 8-year-old on the floor, 2-year-old on the floor.
No organization.
And his man go, yo, you real, you let that thing go. He happy with that.
Yeah.
Other killers, you'll never even know he killed the nigga. He don't even want you to
They
know.
don't brag about it. They're not talking about it. They're not trying to let nobody find out.
Like, yo, you heard I did what? Oh, hell no.
Nah, you hear me wrong. Niggas
Nah, I ain't killing nobody. I don't even know nothing
switch
about
that
this.
shit up. Nah, you gotta be fucked up, bro.
If a nigga don't tell you that, man, that nigga's a rat or he's a silly nigga, man. Why get away from that nigga?
Right.
Yo, nigga don't think got the gun on camera. Get away from that nigga. Down.
That's them niggas worrying about clout.
Incriminating yourself.
Ain't no rappers, ain't no rap video. What the fuck is you doing? You don't get paid to entertain, nigga.
Damn, bro.
Sylvester Stallone and Rambo and them niggas got paid to run around. You know what I'm saying? These niggas know what the fuck they doing, bro.
So, thanks, bro. Both of y'all, man. Thanks. All right, Mike. So, with all the killings that's been happening, do you feel that COVID-19 contributed while everybody was cooped up in the house, or it's just basically human nature?
I'd say a little bit of both, to be honest. I think that it's a little ridiculous, the amount that's going on right now, like the amount of killings and shootings that have been happening the past couple of days, but I also feel that it's has a lot to do right now with the Black Lives Matter movement and the COVID-19 thing kind of mushed together, because I also feel that everybody was cooped up in their house. Everybody's been having that rage, you know what I mean? That it's that pent-up anger, that pent-up aggression, and they can't go out and do nothing about it. You can't even go out and fucking go to the gym if you're, a gym head or anything like that. Yeah. So, it just kind of comes down to, there's a reason to go outside and do, fuck shit. All right, well, why not? But now that shit's over and done with, and everybody's kind of like, it's become Black Lives Matter movement to a lot of people are looking at it as basically a reason for black people to go out and be violent, which it's not, but the media is making it look that way. All these shootings, all this violence coming from them. But I feel like it's definitely a mix of COVID-19 and people just being people. Because it was happening before, these shootings and these killings were happening before coronavirus hit, right?
Yeah, but it just feels like it's escalated.
It's definitely a little bit more to me because of that. Because of that and the whole protests and the Black Lives Matter movement and things that are going on. These young kids are getting stupid. They don't know the difference between a fucking white guy and a racist. And like that kid, that 12-year-old that just got fucking sidelined by that black guy for absolutely no reason. For what? Dancing on the corner? He got out of his car, cracked the kid, got back in the car, drove away. For what reason? Man walking down the street with his little girl. Guy pulls out a gun, shoots him in the fucking back. For what reason?
Bro, and I've been around that area numerous times. It's right there on the corner of a high school, Taft High School. So I already know. And literally 2 or 3 blocks down, somebody got killed on the same Ave, but different street. 3 people got shot. 1 guy got killed. One lived. Yeah, 2 lived. 1 guy got killed and 2 lived. It's been ridiculous.
The violence is just it's out of control. It's unnecessary. It's unprovoked, and it's just getting stupid.
All right, man. Thanks, bro.
Of course.
All right, so Nelson, how you feel about all these killings, and do you think there's contributed from the COVID-19 or keeping us all cooped up, or it's just human nature for us to be this destructive?
I say 50-50. Just because natural we are, a precious species. Look how much we expanded in our time on this earth. No animal was grown territory like this and shit like that. So I say, yeah, it's a little human nature, and yeah, I think everybody's just a little as if we're staying indoors all day. So by the time we finally able to come outside, they're telling us to go back inside. It's too dangerous. COVID might be happening again. People are gonna go nuts. So yeah, I don't know. It depends, because like it has to do with that, and also it could be due to circumstances. Being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Things happen. You know what I'm saying?
But everything in New York has spiked.
Oh yeah, that's because New York right now. I see it as right now there's a great ass problem right now, right? We got people cooped up in the house all day, right? Still don't have jobs. Didn't the unemployment cut the $600 extra off already?
No, actually extended.
Extended? Okay, so extended. Because I know they're gonna cut that off eventually. That's gonna fuck with niggas. But in New York itself, it's just like I said, last video, go check that out. Homo road rage. Just everybody's angry all the time. Why you pumping this to me, yo? Say sorry to my shoulder.
Alright, thanks, bro.
No problem.
Alright, so Kev, how do you feel about all the killings that's been going down? Do you feel is contributed from the COVID-19 and us being cooped up, or is just human nature?
I think that's just human nature, bro. Honestly, I know it sounds fucked up to say that, but you gotta, I don't know, bro, how to really explain that question. I'm tired right now, but honestly, it's like a reincarnation. You have to go in order for somebody else to come.
Okay.
You feel me? Like, I know that shit sounds like mad, stupid, mad fucked up, but that's just the way of life. That's why I said I feel like it's human nature. But it is, honestly, all hands down, that shit is fucked up. People don't, you feel me? Nigga just wake up and just, he don't know he gonna die. Nobody know when they gonna die. You feel me? Just go, and it's sad to say how some people do go, but
yeah, here today, gone tomorrow.
Yeah, you feel me? But I honestly think it's just human nature, bro, and it's just fucked up.
All right, thanks, bro.